This is double elimination round 2. Toss-up number 1. In biology, multiple choice. Which of the following phenomena would occur when blood calcium levels are high? W. PTH release is increased. X. Calcitonin release is decreased. That's an interrupt from Rohan. Y is incorrect. I will reread for the other team. Toss-up biology multiple choice. Which of the following phenomena would occur when blood calcium levels are high? W. PTH release is increased. X. Calcitonin release is decreased. Y. Osteoblasts are inhibited. Z. Osteoclasts are inhibited. Buzz from writings.
Z.
Z is correct. Bonus 1 biology short answer. What is the glycocalyx of the human ovum called, through which sperm must pass through to begin the acrosomal process?
Do you know what it could be?
It's like zona
5
pellucida.
seconds.
Defer to writings.
Zona pellucida final.
Is correct. Your second toss-up is in math, and it's short answer. A right circular cone has base radius 3 and height 4. If the height is doubled, by what factor is the lateral surface area of the cone multiplied? Buzz from Aaron.
73 over 25.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. Buzz from Evan.
Square root 89 divided by 5.
I'm sorry, the correct answer was square root of 73 divided by 5.
Oh.
Toss-up number 3 is in physics short answer. By name or number, indicate all of the following 4 quarks that have a charge of plus 2/3. 1 up quark. 2 strange antiquark. 3 charm antiquark. 4 top quark. Buzz from Yuchen.
2 only.
2 only is incorrect. Buzz from Anoop.
1, 2, 4.
1, 2, 4 is incorrect. The correct answer was 1 and 4. Toss-up number 4 is an Earth and space short answer. The Laramide orogeny gave rise to what mountain range? Buzz from Yuchen.
The Rockies.
Rocky Mountains is correct. Bonus 4 Earth and space short answer. Give by name or number all of the following 3 statements which are true concerning the weathering of aluminosilicates. 1. Sodium and potassium are preferentially leached under acidic conditions. 2. Iron and magnesium are preferentially leached under basic conditions. 3. Weathering of feldspars preferentially creates kaolinite.
Five seconds.
And 3 final.
It was 1 and 3, and that was after time.
Oh, wait.
They
I
started-
forgot to push to talk. Oh my god. I said 1 and 3, but like...
Rip.
Okay, if you don't
I'm
want to
sorry,
count that...
we can't accept that.
Okay, that's unfortunate.
Toss-up number 5 is an energy multiple choice. Scientists at Oak Ridge National Laboratory showed that using a thin film cathode with a solid electrolyte for lithium-ion batteries helps determine the source of charge loss. Which of the following describes the role of separators in lithium polymer batteries? W. Prevent irreversible intercalation of electrodes. X. Prevent reaction of lithium with the electrolyte. Y. Increase bubble overpotential on the electrodes. Z. Increase binding interrupt writings.
W.
W is correct. Your bonus is an energy short answer. Scientists at Argonne National Laboratory are currently studying a universal vaccine for the influenza virus. Currently, influenza vaccines target what constantly changing viral surface protein that acts as a lectin, allowing the virus to bind to the surface of human cells?
Neuraminidase.
Okay, you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Defer to writings.
Neuraminidase final.
I'm sorry, the answer was
Penicillin.
hemagglutinin. Toss-up number 6 is in chemistry multiple choice. Which of the following best describes the role of tetrahydrofuran in the hydroboration oxidation of an alkene by borane? W. It acts as a polar aprotic solvent to destabilize the interrupt writings.
It acts as a X.
That is incorrect. I will reread for the other team. Toss up chemistry multiple choice. Which of the following best describes the role of tetrahydrofuran in the hydroboration oxidation of an alkene by borane? W. It acts as a polar aprotic solvent to destabilize a nucleophile. X. It acts as a nucleophilic catalyst to increase the reactivity of the alkene. Y. It acts as an electrophile to increase the reactivity of borane. Z. It acts as a coordinating agent to stabilize borane against dimerization. Buzz from Saketh.
Why?
Y is incorrect. The correct answer was Z. Toss-up number 7 is in biology short answer. What amino acid-based antioxidant abundant in the liver is responsible for the destruction of radical oxygen species and partially for the reducing environment of this interrupt from Rohan? Could I have a verbal answer as well?
Glutathione.
Is correct. Your bonus is in biology short answer. Under what taxonomic order do lobsters and crabs reside in?
Order? So like crustacea, right?
Alright, sure. You got
Order?
this.
Is that an order?
Probably. I don't know.
It's pretty big. Okay, fine.
I don't think that's an order. Is it?
I don't know.
It's
Crustacea final.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. And for the record, I also didn't write this question. Okay. Toss-up number 8 is in math.
What was the answer?
Oh, decapoda.
Oh, okay.
Toss-up number 8 is in math short answer. In a geometric sequence, the ratio between subsequent terms is 2/3. Given the sum of the first two terms is 12, what is the sum of the third and fourth terms? Buzz from a noob.
24 over 3.
Oh, that is incorrect and not reduced. Buzz from Evan.
16 over 3.
Is correct. Your bonus is in math short answer. Arnold the ant is sitting on the midpoint of an edge of a tetrahedron with side length 1. What is the shortest distance it must travel in order to arrive at the midpoint of the opposite edge if it can only walk on the surface of the tetrahedron?
Five seconds.
Evan, just give it to you.
half final.
I'm sorry, the correct answer was 1. Toss-up number 9 is in physics short answer. An RC circuit is discharged, taking 60 seconds for the charge across the capacitor to decay to 37% of its initial value. If the resistor is known to be 5 ohms, what must the capacitor's capacitance interrupt a noob?
12.
Is correct. Your bonus is in physics short answer. 12-point masses with masses 1 through 12 kilograms are placed at their corresponding x coordinates on a line, such that the 1 kilogram mass is at x equals 1, the 2 kilogram mass is at x equals 2, and so on. What is the x coordinate of the center of mass of the system?
Sum of squares, right?
Okay, it should be 50 over 6, Aaron, so 25 over 3.
Okay, we'll go with that. 25 over 3 final.
That is correct. Sorry, read. Toss up 10, Earth and space for answer. Filtergrams are required to view what layer of the sun's interrupt Eugene? Oh, interrupt
No, it's
Mason.
Mason.
Chromosphere.
That is correct.
Thank you for reading, Victor. Your bonus is in Earth and Space multiple choice. Which of the following does not explain why the envelope of a horizontal branch star contracts while its core expands? W. Core expansion increases the opacity of the envelope. X. Core expansion decreases the density of the hydrogen-burning shell. Y. Core expansion robs energy from the rest of the star for the core. Z. Core expansion by the triple alpha process is an endothermic process.
What do you think it sounds like?
So which one is not a reason?
Yeah, which is not a reason.
Z, right?
I don't know.
It can't be endo. The triple alpha process releases energy, right?
Yeah.
Then Z.
5 seconds.
Z final.
I'm sorry, the correct answer was X. Your next toss-up is an energy multiple choice. Scientists at the Pacific Northwest National Laboratory are studying the effects of global warming on forest ecosystems. Which of the following was not one of the findings the scientists observed in their research? W. The ratio of younger trees to older trees is increasing. X. The rate of speciation is increasing. Y. Forests must adapt to a lower moisture. Interrupt Rohan. I'm sorry, X is incorrect. I will reread the question for the other team. Toss-up energy multiple choice. Scientists at the Pacific Northwest National Laboratory are studying the effects of global warming on forest ecosystems. Which of the following was not one of their findings the scientists observed in their research? W. The ratio of younger trees to older trees is increasing. X. The rate of speciation is increasing. Y. Forests must adapt to lower moisture climate. Z. Forests are trapping more carbon as carbon dioxide levels rise. Aaron?
Z.
Z is correct. Your bonus is an energy short answer. Scientists at Oak Ridge National Laboratory used X-ray crystallography to determine the structure of the SARS-CoV-2 main proteases. One of its proteases is the papain-like protease. Which of the following amino acids would likely be at the catalytic site? W. Cysteine. X. Tyrosine. Y. Tryptophan. Z. Leucine.
Tyrosine. What was
Okay,
that?
so that should be X.
All right.
X final.
Sorry, the correct answer was W. Cysteine. Toss-up number 12 is in chemistry multiple choice. An acidic solution of which of the following oxidation states of vanadium would absorb the highest energy visible light? W. +2. X. +3. Y. +4. Z. +5. Buzz from Yuchen.
+3.
+3 is incorrect. Buzz from Writings.
+5.
Is correct. Your bonus is in chemistry short answer. What model can be used to approximate the intermolecular potential energy of a system of two particles based on their distance of separation by combining both Pauli repulsion and van der Waals attractive forces?
Leonard-Jones model, maybe? Is that what it wants?
Yeah, it's asking what's the model.
And Leonard-Jones potential. I think Leonard-Jones is a good guess.
Okay, defer to writings.
Leonard-Jones.
Is correct. Wait, that's the half actually.
So score is 62 to 16. Westminster to Tesla.
I thought vanadium 5+ was like yellow. Did it say absorb? Maybe it absorbs. Oh, okay.
$62 to 68.
What's going 60 to 68?
What's the score?
62 to 16.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's the end of the break. And with that, are both teams ready to continue?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Then we will start out with a toss-up 13 and biology short answer. What is the term for the specialized lymph vessel found in each villus of the small intestine that serves to carry interrupt from writings?
Lacteal.
Is correct. Your bonus is in biology short answer. By name or number, rank the following three groups from most to least evolutionarily related to cercozoans. 1. Ciliates. 2. Parabasilids. 3. Radiolarians.
Fuck. I think it might be.
I agree, it is gross prose.
2, 3, 1.
I'm sorry, the answer
2,
was...
3, 1 final.
Okay, the answer was 3, 1, 2. Toss-up 14 is a math short answer. If the operation star is defined such that A star B equals AB plus A plus B plus 1, then find open parenthesis 2 star 3 close parenthesis star 4. Buzz from a noob.
65.
Is correct. Your bonus is a math short answer. A group of scientists are studying the amount of water in a pond. They find that over the first 10 months, the amount of water increased by K% every month, while over the next 5 months, the amount of water decreased by K% every month. At the end of these 15 months, the amount of water in the pond was the same as when it started. Given K is more than 0, determine the value of K.
You know this?
5 seconds.
I'd go like 6% or something.
Okay, 6 final.
50 root 5 minus 50.
Oh my goodness.
Toss-up number 15 is a physics short answer. What phenomenon, the rotational analog of uniform circular motion, occurs when a torque is applied to a rotating object perpendicular to the interrupt from a noob?
Free rotation?
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. I'll review for the other team.
Is that an egg?
Yeah, that's an egg. Toss-up 15 physics short answer. What phenomenon, the rotational analog of uniform circular motion, occurs when torque is applied to a rotating object perpendicular to its direction, to the direction of its angular momentum? Buzz by Yu-Chen.
Precession.
Is correct. Your bonus is in physics multiple choice. Which of the following is closest to the kinetic energy of an ideal helium atom at 300 Kelvin in millielectron volts? W, 2.5, X, 25, Y, 250, Z, 2,500.
I have no idea. So, let's see. I want to say 25. Oh,
5 seconds.
X final.
Is correct. Your next toss-up is an Earth and space short answer. The Encke gap is caused by which moon of interrupt from a Yu-Chen?
Pan.
Is correct.
Holy shit, I remember that.
Your bonus is an Earth and space short answer. Identify all of the following 3 statements that are true about LOES. 1. They are aeolian deposits. 2. They exhibit low cation exchange capacity. 3. They are fluvial deposits.
1 and 2 I think are true. Because it's like really fine grained, right? So, but it's like clay too, so I'm not sure about 2. Cation exchange capacity. I'm gonna go with 1 only, I think.
5
Okay.
seconds.
1 only final.
Is correct.
Nice.
Toss-up number 17 is an energy short answer. Scientists at Argonne National Lab researched the transition state for the photolysis of acrylonitrile to produce either hydrogen cyanide or hydrogen isocyanide. What postulate in physical organic can interrupt from Yu-Chen?
Hammond postulate.
Is correct. Your bonus is an energy short answer. Scientists at the Joint Genome Institute are studying the effects of the timing of homeotic genes on developmental history. What is the term for the change in evolutionary rate or timing of developmental events that allowed whales to lose their hind limbs by reducing the time leg and pelvis bones could grow?
Rohan, you know this?
Something to do with vestigial structures, right? Like what caused that, Ron? Do you know?
I think it's heterochrony, but I'm not sure.
Okay, go with that then.
Okay, heterochrony, I know.
Is correct.
Nice.
Toss-up number 18. Okay, score check is 70 to 62 currently. And we're on question number 18. Toss-up number 18 is in chemistry short answer. Order the following 3 bonds in increasing IR wave number. 1. NH single bond. 2. CO double bond. 3. CN triple bond. Interrupt from writings.
2, 3, 1.
Is correct. Your bonus is in chemistry short answer. Identify all of the following 3 statements that are true about the mixture formed between chloroform and acetone. 1. The enthalpy of mixing is positive. 2. The mixture boils below the boiling point of chloroform or acetone. 3. The vapor pressure of the mixture is lower than the vapor pressure of chloroform or acetone.
I think it's 3 only. The P of mixing is not positive. Oils below both boiling points is not true, and vapor pressure is lower. Yeah, 3 only.
3 only final.
Is correct. Toss-up number 19 is in biology multiple choice. Which of the following is an adaptation for preventing the spread of plant viruses? W. Doubly compound leaves. X. Rhizomes. Y. Tubers. Z. Bracts. Buzz from writings.
W.
Is correct. Your bonus is in biology multiple choice. Which of the following is not true about the pentose phosphate pathway? W. Rapidly dividing cells use the pathway to generate the sugars for DNA and RNA. X. Hepatocytes utilize the NADPH for fatty acid synthesis. Y. The pathway occurs within the mitochondria. Z. Transketolase requires thiamine pyrophosphate.
Probably Y. Because it's anabolic, but I don't know for sure. I think it's in the cytosol, and if it's yeah, say Y.
Y final.
Is correct. Toss-up number 20 is in math, and its short answer. A positive integer is cute if it is divisible by the sum of its digits. What is the sum of the smallest and largest 2-digit cute integers? Buzz from a noob.
105.
Is incorrect.
Fine.
The answer was 100. Toss-up number 21 is in physics short answer. A spaceship is measured to have a length of 55 meters at rest. When the spaceship is accelerated to a constant velocity, it is measured to have a length of 44 meters in its initial rest frame. What is the constant velocity of the spaceship in terms of the speed of light? Interrupt from Anoop.
0.6 C.
That is correct. Your bonus is in physics short answer. A proton and an alpha particle are both accelerated through a potential difference into the magnetic field of a mass spectrometer. What is the ratio of their radii of curvature?
Okay, so it's literally just.
Is it the ratio of the M to Z's?
Yeah, I think it's mass to charge ratio, right? So it's double. It's 4 times the mass, but only 2 times
5 seconds.
the charge to 2. So it's 1
Refer to a
to
noob.
okay, 1 to 2.
Fine.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is 1 to root 2. Toss-up number 22 is an Earth and space multiple choice. Identify which of the following telescopes is not correctly matched with its electromagnetic range. W. Fermi, gamma ray. X. Chandra, X-ray. Y. Spitzer, infrared. Z. Interrupt from Yuchen.
Z.
Z. Herschel, microwave is correct. Your bonus is an Earth and space short answer. Order the following 3 types of snow in order of decreasing air content. 1. Neve. 2. Fern. 3. Fresh snow.
Decreasing. So I think 312. I think Fern is the most compact. Yeah, 312 final.
Is correct. Toss-up number 23 is an energy multiple choice. Scientists at Idaho National Laboratory converted thin carbon films to form crystalline diamond structures by heating. Which of the following is not true about the crystal structure of diamond? W. It has 4 planes of cleavage. X. It has a higher band gap than silicon. Y. The carbon atoms in the interior of the unit cell are octahedrally coordinated. Z. Interrupt from writings.
Y.
Y is correct. Your bonus is an energy multiple choice. Scientists at Sandina National Laboratory are studying special types of subsurface flows. Specifically, they are studying non-Darcian flows in a porous medium. Which of the following best characterizes non-Darcian flows? W. Low Reynolds number, laminar flow. X. Low Reynolds number, turbulent flow. Y. High Reynolds number, laminar flow. Z. High Reynolds number, turbulent flow.
Probably going to be X and Y, just because why would they have the name for it otherwise?
That's so facts.
Go for X maybe.
Okay. Anything
5
ready?
seconds.
No.
X final.
I'm sorry, the correct answer was Z.
Dang.
Toss-up 24, chemistry short answer. In an electrospray mass spectrometry experiment, a dibrominated hydrocarbon produces 3 peaks with mass-to-charge ratios of 172, 174, and 176. What is the ratios of the intensities of these 3 peaks? Buzz from writings.
1 to 2 to 1.
Is correct. Your bonus is in chemistry short answer. Identify all of the following 3 statements that are true about the radical bromination of alkenes. 1. It occurs preferentially at vinylic and phenyl carbons. 2. N-bromosuccinimide is used as a source of carbon to prevent competing addition reactions. 3. An advantage of radical bromination is that it is stereospecific.
3 is false. I don't really understand 1. Phenyl, I mean, I guess, like, how would it not be vinylic? Because it's an alkene. That doesn't make sense. Say 1, 2.
Defer to writings.
1, 2, final.
I'm sorry, the correct answer was just 2. Toss-up 25 is the final question in biology, short answer. During de-ethylation, what 2 secondary messengers transduce a signal to transcriptions in the nucleus to slow stem elongation, expand leaves, and produce chlorophyll? Buzz from Rohan. Could you give your verbal answer?
pKa and cyclic AMP.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. Buzz from writings.
It's CA2 plus and cyclic AMP.
I'm sorry, the answer was cyclic GMP and Ca2+.
Oh, that's
And that is the end of the round.
Final score 110 to 76. Westminster to Tesla High School.
Good round, good go, everyone.